let's see the answer of Edexcel IGCSE of Mathematics A, paper 1H, which is highest year of November 2025. So starting from the first question, the table gives information about the number of kilometers that test cycle on each of the 30 days in April. So we have this table. Calculate estimate for the mean number of kilometers that test cycle on each day in April. So first of all, we have to find the middle value of each interval. So the middle value of this one equal to 2.5. This one is 7.5. Next is 12.5. Next is 17.5. And the last one is 22.5. And then we will multiply with the frequency. So we will have 2.5 times 8 plus 7.5 times 7 plus 12.5 times 3 plus 17.5 times 10, and then plus 22.5 times 2 divided by the total frequency, which is equal to 30. So we will have 20 plus 52.5 plus 37.5 plus 175 plus 45 divided by 30. So it is equal to plus 37.5 330 over 30. So therefore the estimate of the mean equal to 11. Question 2. By rounding each number to one significant figures, work out an estimate for the value of 2.11 square times 58.9 divided by square root of 8.859. Show you are working clearly. So 2.11 square, it can be rounded to 2 square times 58.9, it can be rounded to 60 and divided by square root of 9. So it is equal to 4 times 60 divided by 3, or it can be 4 times 60 divided by negative 3. So in the first case, it will be equal to 80. And the second case, it will be equal to negative 80. Question 4. E, F, and G are represent integers such that E, F, 7, G, 12, and 17 is a list of integers written in order of size. The integers have a range of 15, median of 8.5, and mean of 9. So work out the value of E, the value of F, and the value of G. So starting with the range first, range equal to maximum minus minimum. So in this case, we have range equal to 15, maximum is 17 minus minimum, which is E. So we have E equal to 17 minus 15, which is equal to 2. So we have E equal to 2. Then we have median equal to 9. Now median is the middle value. Median equal to 8.5, I'm sorry. So right now the middle value is 7 and G. Okay, so we have 7 plus G divided by 2, since it has two numbers in the middle, equal to 8.5. So we have 7 plus G equal to 8.5 times 2, which is equal to 17. So therefore G equal to 17 minus 7, which is equal to 10. So G is 10. The last one is the mean. So in this case we will have 2 plus F plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 17 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6 equal to 9. So 9 times 6 equal to 54, equal to 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 plus 10 is 19, 19 plus 29 equal to 48. So 48 plus F equal to 54. So therefore F equal to 6. So we have E equal to 2, F equal to 6, and G equal to 10. Let me move to question 5. Show that 3, 5 over 7 plus 1, 2 over 3 equal to 5, 8 over 21. So I will multiply 3 with 7, which is equal to 21. 21 plus 5 equal to 26 over 7. Plus 1 times 3 equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So 5 over 3. Now, the denominator are not equal. So we have to make the denominator equal first. So I will multiply with 3 over 3 on the left hand side in order to make it 21. And I will multiply with 7 over 7 on the right hand side. So it will be 78 divided by, over 21 plus 35 over 21. So it is equal to 113 over 21, which is equal to, so we have denominator equal to 21 times 5, which is 105, plus 8, which is 113. So that's it. Question 6. Ellie and Peter share $275 in the ratio of 2 to 3. Ellie gives 3 over 11 of his share to charity, and Peter gives 0.32 of his share to charity. Work out the total amount that Ellie and Peter give to charity. So 2 in the ratio of 2 to 3, right? So it is equal to 5. Okay, so we have 275 divided by 5, which is equal to 55. So therefore, Ellie has 55 times 2, which is equal to 110. And Peter has 55 times 3, which is equal to $165. Okay, now Ellie gives to charity equal to 3 over 11 times 110, which is equal to $30. And Peter gives to charity equal to 0.32 times 165, which is equal to 57.75. So therefore, total amount that they give to charity equal to 30 plus 57.75, which is equal to $87.75. Then question 7, the weight of a bag of apple is 475 gram, correct to the nearest gram. Write down the lower bound of the weight. So the lower bound of the weight is equal to 474.5. Another one, the height of a box is 120 centimeter, collect to the nearest 10 centimeter. Write down the upper bound for the height. So the upper bound equal to 125. Question 8. 8 into the power of negative 2 times 8 into the power of 9 divided by 8 into the power of 10 equal to 8 into the power of n. So work out the value of n. So we will have 8 into the power of negative 2 plus 9 minus 10 equal to 8 into the power of n. So it will be 8 into the power of negative 3 equal to 8 into the power of n. So therefore, n equal to negative 3. Question 9. Harry scored 140 points playing a game on Tuesday. This was 12% more points than he scored playing the game on Monday. So work out the number of points that Harry scored playing the game on Monday. So we have 140 equal to the number of points on Monday. Let's say this x times 1 plus 12%. So it will be 140 equal to x times 1 plus 0.12. So 140 equal to x times 1.12. So therefore x will be equal to 140 divided by 1.12. So it is equal to 125. Question 10. Simplify 6m into the power of 0. So anything, whenever it power with 0, for example, a into the power of 0, the result equal to 1. So in this case, 1. So 5y plus 20 less than 7y plus 1. So I will move plus 20, I will move 5y to the right hand side, it become minus, and I will move plus 1 to the left hand side, it will become minus as well. So we will have 20 minus 1 less than 7y minus 5y. So it is 19 less than 2y. So therefore y is greater than 19 over 2. Then question C. Factorize fully 15w squared x into the power of 5 plus 25w cubed x squared. So 15 equal to 5 times 3 and 25 is 5 times 5. So we have 5 in common, so I'll bring 5 out. And we also have 2w as common. We have x squared as common as well. So therefore, the first term, the remaining of the first term will be 3x cubed. And the remaining for the second term will be 5w. Question D. Simplify fully 36 a into the power of 5 c into the power of 7 over 12 a square c cube. So 12 1 and 36 divided by 12 is 3, so we have 3 a into the power of 5 minus 2 and c into the power of 7 minus 3, so it will be 3a cubed c into the power of 4. Question 11. ABC is a right angle triangle in which AC equal to 21 centimeter, BC equal to 15 centimeter, and angle ABC equal to 90 degree. The point D lies on AB such that DB equal to 9 centimeter. So work out the size of angle ACD, which is this one. Give your answer correct to 1 decimal place. Okay, so let's start with the angle ABC. So I will find angle ACB, in which we know the adjacent, which is 15, and we know the hypotenuse, which is 21, so that we can use cos. So cos of ACB equal to 15 over 21. So if we make it in simplest form, it will be equal to 5 over 7. And then angle ACB will be equal to the arc cos of 5 over 7. So it is equal to 44.44 degrees. I already wrote it here. And then I will find the angle DCB. In case of DCB, we know the adjacent and we know the opposite, so that we can use 10 in order to find the angle DCB. So it is equal to the opposite over the adjacent, so it is equal to 9 over 15. And if we make it into the simplest form, it will be equal to 3 over 5. So angle DCB equal to the arctan of 3 over 5, which is equal to 30.96 degrees. So I wrote it here. So in order to find the angle ACD, it will be equal to 44.44 minus 30.96, which is equal to 13.48. But we have to answer into the 1 decimal, so it is equal to 13.5 degree. Question 13. In the back, there are only 2 yellow beads and 3 orange beads. In a box, there are only 3 yellow beads and 5 green beads. So she takes at random a bead from the back and a bead from the box. Complete the probability tree diagram. So this one will become 3 over 5. But then from here, for a box, we have total 8, right? So for yellow, it will be 3 over 8. And this one will be 5 over 8. Same thing for here. It will be 3 over 8. And 5 over 8. Then question B. Work out the probability that she takes 2 beads of different color. So it will be yellow and green, which is 2 over 5 times 5 over 8 plus orange, yellow. So it will be 3 over 5 times 3 over 8, and then plus orange and green. So it will be 3 over 5 times 5 over 8. So it is equal to 2 over 8 plus, let me make it into the 40, so it will be 10 over 40 plus 9 over 40 plus 15 over 40, so it is equal to 34 over 40, and if we make it into the simplest form, it is equal to 17 over 20. Question 14. Expand and simplify 7x times 3x plus 2 times 2x minus 5. So 7x times 3x plus 2 equal to 21x squared plus 14x, and then 21x squared plus 14x times 2x minus 5. So it will be like this. Okay, so we have 21x squared times 2x, which is equal to 42x cubed. Then 21x squared times negative 5 equal to negative of 105 x squared. Okay, then 14x times 2x equal to 28 x squared, and then 14x times negative 5 equal to negative 70x. Okay, now let me simplify. It is equal to 42x cubed minus 77x squared minus 70x. Then question B, solve 9 over 2y plus 5 over 7 equal to 5. So I will do cross multiplication like this, and then the denominator will multiply with each other. So we have 9 times 7, which is equal to 63, plus 2y times 5 equal to 10y, over 2y times 7, which is equal to 14y, equal to 5. Then I will move this 14y to the right to multiply with 5, so it is equal to 63 plus 10y, equal to 5 times 14y, which is equal to 70y. Then I will move this 10y to the right to minus with 70, so it will be 63 equal to 60y. So therefore y equal to 63 over 60, which is equal to 1.05. Question 15. AOB is a sector of circle with center O and radius 12 cm. Work out the area of the sector. Give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. So the formula to find the area of the sector is theta divided by 360 degree times pi r squared. So in this case, the angle that it has given is equal to 75. So divided by 360 degree times 3.14 times 12 square. So it is equal to 94.2 square centimeter. Question 16. Ivan asked 15 people how many books they read last year. So here are his results. So work out the interquartile range of the number of books read. So interquartile range, or IQR, equal to third quartile minus first quartile. So in this case, we have to find out the third quartile, which is equal to 3n plus 1 times divided by 4. So in this case, n equal to 15. So we will have 3 times 15 plus 1 divided by 4. So it is equal to 3 times 16 over 4, which is equal to 12. So it is in the position 12, which is 25. So this is the upper quartile. Then we have to find the first quartile, which is equal to n plus 1 over 4. So it is equal to 15 plus 1 divided by 4, which is equal to 16 over 4. So it is equal to 4. So the fourth position is this one. So therefore, IQR equal to 25 minus 4, which is equal to 21. Question 17. Show that 2 square root 7 plus 2 divided by square root 7 minus 3 can be written in the form of a minus square root b, where a and b are integers. Show your working clearly. So we have 2 square root 7 plus 2 over square root 7 minus 3. So what we have to do is we will multiply with square root 7 plus 3 on both sides. Okay, so we will get 2 square root 7 times square root 7 plus 2 square root 7 times 3 plus 2 times square root 7 plus 2 times 3 over square root 7 square minus 3 square. Because if we have a minus b times a plus b, it will equal to a square minus b square. Then we will have square root 7 times square root 7 equal to 7. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 6 square root 7 plus 2 square root 7 and then plus 6 divided by square root 7 square is 7 minus 3 square is 9. So therefore we will have 20 plus 8 square root 7 over negative 2. And if we make into the simplest form, it will be equal to negative 10 minus 4 square root 7. Then question 18. Make y the subject of p equal to square root of y plus w over 3y minus t. So I will square on both sides. So we'll have p square equal to y plus w over 3y minus t. Then I will move this one to multiply with p square. So we will have 3p square y minus p square t equal to y plus w. Then I will move this y to the left hand side, which will become negative. And I will move this negative p square t to the right, and it will become positive. So we will have 3p square y minus y equal to w plus p square t. And then we have y on both terms. So I will bring y outside. So the remaining will be 3p square minus 1 equal to w plus p square t. And the last step is I will move this one to the right, and it will become division. So we will have y equal to w plus p square t over 3p square minus 1. Question 19. The diagram shows triangle ABC. AB equal to 8 centimeter, BC equal to 10 centimeter, and CA equal to 9 centimeter. Work out the size of angle BAC, which is this one. Give your answer correct to 1 decimal place. So in this question, we have to use cosine rule. And the formula is a square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. So in this case, a square will be 10 square equal to x square plus 9 square minus 2 times 8 times 9 cos a. So we will have 100 equal to 64 plus 81 minus 144 cos a. So I will move 144 cos a to the left, and it will become positive. And I will move 100 to the right, and it will become negative. Okay. So we will have 144 cos a equal to 145 minus 100, or it is equal to cos a equal to 45 over 144. So therefore a equal to arc cos of 45 over 144, which is equal to 71.8 degree. Question 20. The straight line L has equation y equal to 4x plus 7. The straight line M is perpendicular to L and passes through the point with coordinates 8, 1. So find an equation for M. Give your answer in the form of y equal to mx plus c. Okay, so starting with the equation of line L, we have y equal to 4x plus 7. So from this equation, we can find the gradient of line L, which is equal to 4 from here. Now, line M is perpendicular to line L. So that means the gradient of line M times gradient of line L must be equal to negative 1. So gradient of line M times 4 equal to negative 1. So therefore the gradient of line M equal to negative of 1 over 4. So in order to find the equation, we will use y minus y1 equal to M times x minus x1. So x1 and y1 is here. So I will plug in into this equation. So we will have y minus 1 equal to negative 1 over 4 times x minus 8. So I will move 4 to the left hand side to multiply with y minus 1. So it will become 4y minus 4 equal to negative x plus 8. And then I will move 4 to the right hand side, and it will become positive. So we will have 4y equal to negative x plus 8 plus 4. So we will have 4y equal to negative x plus 12. And then I will divide by 4 on both sides, so that we will have negative x over 4 plus 3, or you can write it as y equal to negative 1 over 4 x plus 3. Question 21. X plus 5x squared minus 20x plus 23 in the form of a times x minus b squared plus c, where a, b, and c are integers. So first of all, I will take 5 outside. So the remaining will be x squared minus 4x plus 23 over 5. Then I will have x squared minus 4x. So if I divide negative 4 by 2, I will get negative 2. So I will plus negative 2 square. Then I will minus negative 2 square and plus 23 over 5. So that I will have 5 times x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 4 plus 23 over 5. Then if we consider this part, we will have 5 times x minus 2 times x minus 2. And for this part, we will get negative of, let's say I will make into negative 20 over 5 plus negative plus 23 over 5. Like this. So that I will have x times x minus 2 square plus 3 over 5. And the last step is I will multiply 5 into the bracket. So I will get 5 times x minus 2 square plus 3. So this is the answer. Question 22. There are 15 buttons in the box. 3 of the buttons are red, 2 of the buttons are pink, and 10 of the buttons are blue. So P takes at random 3 buttons from the box. Work out the probability that there is still at least one pink button in the box. Okay, so the way that I'm going to do in this question is that since we want to find out the probability of at least one pink in the box, okay, so it will be equal to 1 minus the probability of all pink buttons not in the box. Okay, so in this case we will have 3 scenarios, that is pink, and the third one can be red or blue, or otherwise it can be pink in the first and the last button, and in the middle can be red or blue, or otherwise red or blue will come first, then the second and third will be pink. Okay, so in this case I will have 1 minus 2 over 15, okay, from the pink, and 1 over 14 again from the pink, okay, and we will have 13 of red and blue, so it will be 13 over 13, and we have to multiply with 3 since I said we have 3 scenarios here, so we will have 1 minus 6 over 210, which is equal to 204 over 210. So if we make it into the simplest form, it will be equal to 34 over 35. Question 23. A equal to 2x plus 5 over 1 minus x, and x equal to 5 minus 2y over 3y. So write A in the form of m plus ny over p times y minus 1, where m, n, and p are integers. Show you're working clearly. Okay, so we have A equal to 2 times 5 minus 2y over 3y plus 5 divided by 1 minus 5 minus 2y over 3y. Okay, then we will have, I will multiply 2 inside the bracket, so it will be 10 minus 4y over 3y plus 5 divided by, I will bring negative inside the bracket, so it will become 1 minus 5 plus 2y over 3y. And then I will multiply 3y with 5 because the denominator of this one is 1, right? So it will be 10 minus 4y plus 15y over 3y divided by, same thing here, I will multiply 3y with 1, so it will become 3y minus 5 plus 2y over 3y. And then it will be 10 plus 11y because negative 4y plus 15y equal to 11y over 3y over the 3y plus 2y is plus 5y minus 5 over 3y. And then it will be 10 plus 11y over 3y times 3y over the 5y minus 5. So 3y can be cancelled out. So it will be 10 plus 11y. And since we have 5 on both terms, so I will bring 5 outside. So the remaining will be y minus 1. Yep. Question 24. A curve has equation y equal to fx. There is only one turning point on the curve. The coordinates of this turning point are 4, 3. Write down the coordinate of the turning points on the curve with equation y equal to f of x plus 5. So it means we have to move to the left on x-axis 5 units. So the coordinate will be negative 1 and 3. Question II. Y equal to fx plus 7. So it means that we have to move up on y-axis 7 units. So the coordinate will be 4, 10. And question III. Y equal to f2x. So that means the x coordinate have to, reduce by 2. So it will be 2, 3. Question 25. Solve the inequality 2x squared plus x minus 28 greater than 0. Show clear algebraic working. So we have 2x squared plus x minus 28 equal to 0. So it can be factorized as 2x and x here. And then I will put 4 here and 7 here. Positive sign will be here and negative sign will be here. Because if we multiply negative 7 with x, we will get negative 7x. And if we multiply 2x with 4, we will get 8x. So 8x minus 7x equal to x, which is this one, So that means we will have x equal to 7 over 2 and negative 4. So let me draw a number line here. We have negative 4 on the left and 3.5 or 7 over 2 on the right hand side. And then it is greater than, okay, so the direction will be like this. So therefore, the answer will be x less than negative 4 and x greater than 3.5. Question 26. Here is a prism A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H with a horizontal rectangular base ABGF. AB equal to 10 cm, BG equal to 14 cm, angle DAB equal to angle ABC and equal to angle EFG and equal to angle FGH, which is equal to 90 degrees. And BC is equal to 1 over 5 times AD. The angle of elevation from of E from B is 50 degrees. Calculate the volume of the prism. Give your answer to 3 significant figures. Show your working clearly. So the first step is, since we have, I will find the length of EF, which is this line. Okay, so we have this triangle, okay, as I show you here, and we have 90 degrees from here, right? Now, we know that this angle, this one is equal to 50 degrees. Okay, so we will have tan 50 equal to EF over 14. Okay, so EF will be equal to 14 times tan 50 degrees, which is equal to 16.7 centimeter. Then we have from the question that AD equal to 5 times BC, right? Now, BC equal to EF, so I will have BC equal to 16.7. So therefore, AD equal to 83.5 centimeter. The third step is I will find the area of trapezium. Okay, area of trapezium equal to 1 over 2 times AD plus BC. Okay, AB plus BC. Okay, and then times AB, which is this line. So we will have 1 over 2 times 83.5 plus 16.7 and then times 10. So we will have the area of trapezium equal to 501 square centimeter. And the last step is to find the volume of the prism, which is equal to the area of trapezium times height. So we will have 501 times 14 equal to 7,014. But we have to answer correct to 3 significant figures, so it is equal to 7,010 square centimeters. Question 27. OABC is a quadrilateral. ABP and ODP are straight lines. OA equal to 2A, AB equal to 4B minus A, and OC equal to 5B minus 3A. So question A, find an expression in the terms of A and B for the vector BC. Simplify your answer. So BC equal to BA plus AO plus OC. So BA equal to the negative of 4B minus A, AO equal to negative 2A, and OC equal to 5B minus 3A. Okay, so we will have, after simplifying, we will have BC equal to B minus 4A. Then, the point D lies on BC such that the ratio of BD to DC is 1 to 3. Given that OP equal to N times OD. So question B, use a vector method to find the value of N. So, OD equal to OB plus BD, in which OB equal to OA plus AB, and according to the question here, BD equal to 1 over 4 of BC. So that means OD will be equal to OA plus AB plus 1 over 4 of BC. Now OA equal to 2A, AB equal to 4B minus A, and BC equal to B minus 4A according from the question A times 1 over 4. So after simplifying, we will get OD equal to 4.25B. Now, OP equal to N times OD, but OD equal to 4.25B, so that we will have OP equal to 4.25BN. Another expression is that AB equal to AO plus OP. Now AO equal to negative 2A and OP equal to 4.25BN. Okay, and we have AP equal to K times AB because we don't know the ratio of AP, right? AP equal to negative 2A plus 4.25BN equal to K times AB, which is 4B minus A. So I will put K inside, so I will have negative AK plus 4BK equal to negative 2A plus 4.25BN. So according to these two, we will have K equal to 2, and since we have 4.25B equal to 4K, right? So therefore N equal to 4 times 2, which is the value of K, and then divided by 4.25. So therefore N equal to 32 over 17. Question 28. The curve C has equation x squared plus y squared equal to d minus 11x, where d is an integer. The line L has equation y equal to 3x plus e, where e is an integer. C and L intersect at the point A and point B. The coordinates of A are 0.2 and 2.6. Work out the coordinates of B. So I will, first of all, I will plug in 0.2 and 2.6 into this equation. Okay, so I will have 0.2 square plus 2.6 square equal to d minus 11 times 0.2. So we can get the value of d equal to 9. Same thing, I will plug in into the straight line equation. So we will get 2.6 equal to 3 times 0.2 plus e. So after simplifying, we will get e equal to 2. So that means the first equation of curve C, it will be x squared plus y squared equal to 9 minus 11x. And another equation will be y equal to 3x plus 2. Now I will square this equation so that I will get y squared equal to 3x plus 2 squared. So after expanding, we will get y squared equal to 9x squared plus 12x plus 4. And then I will substitute into the first equation so that I will have x squared plus 9x squared plus 12x plus 4 equal to 9 minus 11x. So I will move these two terms to the left. So, and simplifying, we will get 10x squared plus 23x minus 5 equal to 0. And we have to find the value of x. So I will use this formula in which x equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So in this case, we will have b equal to 23, a equal to 10, and c equal to negative 5. So after solving the formula, we will get the value of x equal to 0.2 and negative 2.5. But we already have the value of x, which is 0.2. So that means we will use the the value of negative 2.5 in order to find the value of y. So I will plug in negative 2.5 into the straight line equation. So that we will get y equal to negative of 5.5. Okay, so therefore the coordinate of b will be negative 2.5 and negative 5.5.